Hello everyone, today we are working on the inside of our soon-to-be backyard office shed. We're going to be addressing some framing issues that's very common with the sheds. Sheds are not really intended to be finished, and that's why you see some of these issues. We're going to go ahead and look at the framing on the inside, address any issues that we have before doing the electrical, insulating, and sheetrocking. So the first thing I do is I examine the structure on the inside. What you're looking for is that every stud lines up with the sheetrock when you go install the sheetrock. In this case right here, you can see the corner does not have any 2x4s for us to screw the sheetrock or even add insulation. So let's go ahead and address that first. Now, in my case, all four corners of the shed had the same problem. So I took 4 2x4s and cut them to fit. I nailed them against the wall and onto the floor. If you don't have a nail gun, you can screw them with 3-inch screws. Now there's a place to screw in the sheetrock onto the wall. The second problem is attaching the sheetrock to the sidewall. We do the same process in here, adding 2x4s to the side wall so we have a place to screw in the sheetrock. The end goal is that the sheetrock has a place to screw in, so when you are mudding the sheetrock, it doesn't break on you. Next are the rafters. Many people ask if they can remove these braces. I do not recommend removing any supporting braces. Matter of fact, I add more braces to the rafters that don't have any. These are structural braces and they are meant to keep the rafters from opening up. And to finish up, I also add braces to the end of the shed. That is so when the sheetrock meets the wall, it has a place to be attached. When you're finished, you should be able to see that every 24 inches there is a place for the sheetrock to be screwed. And if you don't, you just have to be creative and add 2x4s where needed. Now this is very odd. Usually I don't see this. But if your shed does not have a bottom plate, I recommend you add some 2x4s creating a fake bottom plate. This fake bottom plate is gonna help you trim out your baseboard when it comes time. These are just some of the modifications that your shed may have to go through. Not all the sheds are built the same. And if you're thinking about building a shed, make sure you check the description below or you visit us at everydayshed.com. We have plans, material lists, and videos that will help you build your own shed. And now we're gonna work on the electrical on this shed. If you wanna check that out next, there's a video right here. If you wanna check out everything from the beginning to end where we transform this shed into a backyard office, there's a video right here. I hope you find this video informative and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.